My video tutorial will provide you with help to get rid of the ransomware called Deep. This ransomware is from the Phobos ransomware family. My video though is only for educational purposes. I am not related to this ransomware and I am not promoting this ransomware. In the video I will just show you the negative impact of the ransomware on the files and will give you some recommendations on how to protect the files. Before the ransomware's attack, users are able to open their files without any troubles, including pictures, music, Microsoft Office documents and other data, but sadly because of certain leaks and vulnerabilities, this deep ransomware may be easily injected and then users realize that they can no longer access their data. The ransomware is called like that because it encrypts files and appends this deep extension to the file names. It also reveals this ransom note indicating that all the files have been encrypted, and this is true, they have been encrypted. The ransomware tells the victims that they need to pay a special ransom for file recovery, but we urge you not to pay that ransom and not to waste your money. I recommend you to immediately remove this horrible ransomware with the help of reliable antivirus. And I recommend you to use Combo Cleaner Antivirus for this purpose. To download it, you will need to use your Internet Explorer browser, because other browsers and their desktop shortcuts could also be damaged by this ransomware. So through your Internet Explorer browser, go to the page combocleaner.com, download the software, install it, and start researching the computer by clicking on Start Scan button. The software is initially in the trial mode, so only quick scan option is available. Most likely the program will first of all update its anti-malware database. And of course you should not skip this crucially important step. I want to emphasize your attention on the fact that Combo Cleaner has got anti-ransomware feature. This feature helps to remove the ransomware and to protect the data, but it does not decrypt the files, and there is no any other antivirus which would be able to decrypt the files. So wait until the scanning has been successfully accomplished. At the end of the scan, you will see the summary of threats. You will be able to know their locations, consider premium license, and speaking about file decryption, please find a special link in the description to this video which will give you more information on how to possibly recover your files.